So we have sine of ln of x dx. So the main function is trigonometric, okay? And we have a logarithmic function, okay, for bali the angle no, of the trigo function. Okay, so we do not have a formula for this. Okay, if we let ln of x be the u so that we can use the sine of u du, there is no derivative no of ln of x anywhere in the integrand. So we cannot use integration by simple substitution. Okay, so we can do this by integration by parts. Okay, take note that this is a ano ha, just one function wherein the main function is trigonometric. Okay, so money ang angle, the ln of x is the angle. All right. So please do not separate na sine without any angle and then the second function is ln of x. That should be sine of ln of x. Okay? So dapat one single function. Okay? For the u. No? So it would be the best um thing no na if you have only one type of function as the integrand, so you label that as the u and then the dx would be the dv. Okay, so we have u be sine of ln x, so du would be okay cosine of ln of x no times the derivative of ln of x. Okay, or that would be so that arranged na no ahead parts. So get the derivative of the angle, so meaning derivative of u, derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, and then derivative of sine u is cosine u, no, or cosine of ln of x, and of course with the dx. All right, and then let dv be equal to dx. So integrating both sides of the equation, we have b is equal to x. And then proceed to the application of the IBP formula. So u times v. So you start writing the algebraic function and then followed by the trigo function. So times the sine of ln of x, then minus the integral of v du. So x times 1 over x cosine ln of x dx. Okay, so let me move this to the right because I need space. Medyo samok. All right, so that's x not times 1 over x cosine of ln of x. Okay, dx. So we have x times 1 over x, so that would be cancelled out or that's equal to 1. So we now have na lang cosine of ln of x dx. Okay, and cosine of ln of x dx. So it's similar to sine of ln of x dx. Okay, so we need to do another round of integration by parts no, for this one until it becomes sine again, and then we can combine it with the sign on the left side of the equation. Okay, so the second round of what do you call this? IBP. So let u be equal to cosine of ln of x. So its derivative no is negative 1 over x sine of ln of x dx. And the dv is dx and v is x. So for the derivative, the integral no, of the second term, we have u times v. So that's cosine of ln of x times x, or that would be x. Okay, take note minus, no? We have integral of or u times v minus the integral of v du. So the integral of this is composed of two terms. So make sure to put a parenthesis. So x times cosine of ln x, then minus the integral of v du. Okay, so that would be x times negative, okay, x times negative 1 over x, okay, sine of ln of x dx, close parenthesis. So x times sine of ln of x, and then we have minus x cosine of ln of x. Okay, and then we have, this is minus, and then a minus, meaning plus. Okay, plus, but there's a negative sign here inside. So it's basically negative. Okay, and then we have x over x here. So this second term is sine of ln of x, okay, dx. So which is equal, no? The last term is the same with the given. So since this is an equation, we can transpose that sine of ln x dx to the left side. So it becomes plus sine of ln of x dx. So for the right side, we can now write the plus c because there's no more integral sign. So we have 2, okay, integral of sine of ln of x dx. So just divide everything by 2 because we need only 1, okay, sine of ln x dx. So dividing everything by 2, so sine of ln of x dx is 1/2 kx sine of ln of x minus 1/2 x cosine of ln of x, and then plus c. Plus c. Okay, so that is if we have only one main function, a trigo function, okay, with a logarithmic function.